Oh, it's a good week here on Great Day. We are enjoying National Pizza Week, and seriously, best week ever. This morning we have Papa Murphy's in the studio. Tim and Josh are here. Thank you for being here, guys.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Good to see you. And we love Papa Murphy's at my house. That's what we have almost exclusively.
Excellent. We appreciate that.
And on the big days like Halloween, you know, when everybody loves to have a good pizza. Papa Murphy's is a little different business model, I would say, and also I want you to talk about quality of ingredients too, because I know that's important. But talk about the business model.
Well, again, we're a take and bake pizza, so we create the pizza like everybody else does, but we don't bake it. So it's not going to get put in a cardboard box, put in a car, drove 45 minutes till it comes to your house. Again, typically pizza travels well, but it comes right out of the oven. The big thing with Papa's, we have no freezers, we have no ice machines. Everything's fresh. And the probably number one thing is most pizzas you buy, the dough is already cooked. Ours is raw dough. So again, when you create your pizza or pick your pizza, you take it home and you're able to put it in the oven and fix it. I know personally at my house we've got four people in my family, and we all like our pizza cooked a little bit differently. Oh, okay. So one of the big perks of it is our sales pitches is not only is it one of the freshest pizzas you'll ever get, we order our produce in fresh daily, we cut it up, the cheese comes in big blocks, we shred it up, but at the end of the day, it's also the hottest pizza you're going to get. And
you know, the thing I like about it is you can call home and you say, start the oven. What is it, 475? I forget what it is.
425.
425. Yep. Start the oven. By the time I get there, it'll be preheated. We'll pop it in. By the time I get out of my work clothes and sit down, it's ready to go. And like you said, it's fresh out of the oven.
Right.
All right, talk to us about some specials that you have coming up.
We have some daily specials. We have weekly specials. Yes, so for Pizza Week, we have a couple of new specials. We have brought out a couple of new pizzas. We have a Tuesday, $12 Tuesdays that any large pizza that is a
thinner original crust.
Thinner original crust. Those are $12. We have our $5.99 Fridays, which are large, thin, single topping pizzas. They're a great deal. And then for February, for you mentioned one of the special days that you like is Halloween. Well, we do the same thing for Valentine's Day. We have a Heartbreaker pizza shaped like a heart. Right, I've seen it. And it's really neat. It's delicious. It's available on February 1st through the 14th. Okay. So we're really excited to have that out. That's one of the big days that we have.
Real quick, what'd you bring here today, all these?
Yeah. Right here is a chicken bacon artichoke. It's a very popular sauce. It's got the white sauce instead of the red sauce. It's a creamy garlic, some chicken bacon, artichoke hearts, and some Parmesan cheese.
Pepperoni.
This is just your pepperoni sausage. This is one of our what we call deluxe. It's Papa's favorites. It's got your 3 meats and 4 veggies on there.
Oh, that's
one of the things that we also would love to point out to people is we have a lot of sides. So we have great salads. We have the 5 cheese bread that cooks up excellent, and we also have some desserts. Is where you can get the s'mores bar. Cookie dough is a huge seller for us. We go through many containers of that during Halloween.
Thanks so much for coming in today. And happy Pizza Week.
I appreciate it. Thanks for having us.
We're excited.
Yep.
All right, you can find this segment following the show at KMOB.com/greatday.
Can't put the oven on preheat.
Oh yeah, 425.
We're hungry. Hey, they're yours. Cook them up.
Thank you, gentlemen. We appreciate it. Coming up next, hey, Dr. Tim Jordan is here with an easy alternative to New Year's resolutions. Stick around for that after a quick break.